Ooh, that red is tight. Blue, nice. Coral, yellow. I can't decide. Hey, Zach Pack. Welcome back to Zach Talks Tech, where it's about the community, engagement, and conversation we're having here about the tech that you love. I hope you guys are all having a good day. As you guys probably know, this coming Friday, October 26th, is iPhone XR release day. I have a red one coming here. I have a blue one coming here. I have a yellow one coming here, and I have a coral one coming here. Why do I have so many phones coming? Well, I'm gonna pick out one for myself, and then I'm gonna give one, hopefully, to you. But before I get into the details about the give back, let's take a look at these colors. I honestly can't decide on one. I am leaning towards the blue. You guys have seen that gorgeous blue color there. It looks so nice. It's like it's almost not quite a sky blue. It's not a baby blue. It just seems to be that perfect blue color. Looks really nice. It's got that nice blue band all around there. Looks really, 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 really tight. The other color I'm really into is that coral color. Some people say it looks orange or whatever. I think it looks like coral. It looks great. That would be a really unique color to have. I just think it kind of stands out, looks unique. Reminds me of Nemo. Then we have that yellow on there. Oh, that yellow. That looks good. That stands out. You'll see that across the room. Look at the black and the yellow on the footage here. Just looks amazing. Just stands out and just really pops like that. Looks great. And last but not least, let's talk about the product red. I think this is the one that a lot of people are gonna go for. I've heard a lot of people in my community and whatnot talking about it, and it is beautiful. It's got that black front, again, the red all the way around, and then the band there, everything just melts into each other. Looks just awesome. Now you're probably asking, Zach, why aren't you getting the red? Simply, everybody else is getting the red, so I don't want the red, even though it looks awesome. Maybe down the line, we'll see what happens. So that brings me to the details about the give back that we're doing here on Friday, October 26th. Now, assuming that everything goes well with shipping, with Apple and getting the phones here, the phones should arrive here at my studio on Friday, October 26th. Once they arrive, I will do an unboxing video and get some great B-roll for you guys. And then that video will go up at approximately 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Again, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, October 26th, the unboxing video will go up. It will be a YouTube live premiere, so I'll be in the chat there with you guys, typing away. We'll watch the video, we'll watch the unboxing, we'll talk about the colors. You guys will just finally see which color I've decided on, and then you guys get involved. To answer the give back, what I need you guys to do on that video, not this video, on that video on the 26th, is to leave a comment in the comment section telling me why you would like to win an iPhone XR. I'll be going through the responses and the comments from you guys, looking for the most compelling reason. I'm just looking for something that's kind of like a gut feeling, and it kind of speaks to me why you need an iPhone XR. Tell me what you might create with it, what you might do with it, things like that. Again, that's in the video on October 26th, the unboxing video during the YouTube live premiere here at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Then I'll spend the weekend with a couple of buddies here from Team Unfiltered to go through the responses there and make sure that we're finding people that are part of the community here, part of the Zach Pack. We want to make sure we're not picking somebody that's kind of just doing a drive-by and just randomly leaving a comment and hoping they can enter. We want to make sure it's someone part of the community. And if you're just finding this video today, you are part of the community. You can enter this. Don't worry that you've only known me such a short time. Go back and watch some of my videos, get to know me, interact with me on Twitter if you got Twitter. If you don't, it's cool, don't worry about it. Twitter link is down there for you. But go back, watch my videos, get to know me. You are now part of the Zach Pack. So let me know down inside the comment section there, which color do you think I should go for? Again, like I told you, I'm kind of leaning towards the blue or the coral, but again, there's that awesome red and that awesome yellow. Let me know down there what color do you think I should go for, and also let me know what color you like. If you found the content here helpful, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well. Share it out to your friends and family. Give me a hashtag ZachPack down inside the comment section there. Be part of the group here. Hashtag ZachPack. You are now part of my Zach Pack. If you are new here today, I'm glad you're here, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.